Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by connecting devices. Make sure your iPhone and target display are on the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. Next, open Control Center. Swipe down from the top right on Face ID phones, then tap Screen Mirroring to start device scanning. When you see the correct TV or Apple TV, tap its name to initiate the connection. Once done, you'll be prompted if a code is required. Enter it on your iPhone to pair securely and continue to the next step. Once connected, you control what appears and how it behaves. You can switch audio output from the audio tile in Control Center, and many apps offer a display or aspect toggle. Use 16:9 if the image looks cropped. If performance lags, reduce streaming quality in the source app or close background apps to free resources. Make sure to keep the iPhone awake while presenting. Otherwise, the screen may dim and interrupt mirroring. When finished, use Stop Mirroring to end the session cleanly. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or disconnect directly on the TV. This ensures sessions end and battery use returns to normal. If mirroring fails or drops, first toggle Wi-Fi on your iPhone, then restart both the iPhone and the target device. This often clears discovery glitches. If problems persist, update iOS and the TV firmware. One key tip: temporary interference can be fixed by moving closer to the router. Weak signal strength is the most common cause of intermittent mirroring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.